everyone, welcome. It's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland and I'm trying something a little different again today with these gorgeous colours over just a black painted base. So I'm going with lots of metallics in here, but lots of retro vibes. So I'm just going to puddle my colours in, and I will move on and explain what I'm going to do as we go along. But I'll let you just sit back, relax and watch these absolutely gorgeous pop your socks off retro colours go onto this canvas.
Scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
So far we have the metallic gold, we have a deep purple, we have a warm red, and I'm just thinking about what colour to pop on here to make it even more retro looking. So I've got, that is a cadmium. I'm not sure why I added that directly onto that other red, because I usually like something in between, but I'm sure it's going to be a real stunner.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Now for a real pop your socks, that is actually a fluoro pink. So yeah, it's definitely giving off amazing retro vibes here.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Yes, this is a fluoro yellow going in here. So much fun with this one, and just relaxing, puddling my colours in, and going back to the other colours that I've used with the reds. adding that extra black around the canvas, as it was just a very light coat over it. So I just need a little bit of paint to help the rest of these colours roll over when I tilt them more. So just a whiz over with the heat wand and a very gentle tilt, and let's see some weird and wonderful creation show itself. So yes, that was big tilt all over, and now I'm going to load my palette knife with white paint that has been mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to do an Aussie slide, because I'm sliding that over it, and it's with Aussie Floetrol, to bring up some absolutely gorgeous, stunning cells in those retro colours. So we will just see, hey? I was having so much fun here, I didn't want to stop. Really enjoyed doing these slides across the canvas, and they really do, I believe, you know, bring it to life even more so than that retro look that it was anyway. I just love it. So I hope you do too, and you give this a go. It was super fun. Look at the super cells. I mean, how can you not love those? It really was a gorgeous time, and I'm happy to do it. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will say bye for now and happy painting to you all.